Hi Leo, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of September is going to be for you, and I've made some change to the reading. So with your health, wealth, love, relationship, your money part, your soul, where it is going, and what the karma is actually bringing to your life. Along with that, I'm going to talk about what are the most important things that you'll have to take care of throughout the month, and if you follow the advice of the chakra meditation that I'm sharing with you, and the mental exercise that I will share with you, if you follow that, what change will it bring for you? So let's just begin the reading. The cards are saying that this month, there could be something that you've been waiting for. It could be with regards to an ancestral property, or with regards to any money that you were supposed to get from inheritance or from your elders, and you have been waiting for that. There could be a legal matter also with regards to that. That's going to be sorted, and the money is going to be flowing into your life. Another thing that I kind of see is that there are some wishes, there are some things that are on your mind very, very strong, and you're struggling with them, and that has been happening from a month's time. So from previous month, a lot of thoughts have been there on your mind. You're struggling within yourself, but actually this is happening completely in sync with your karmas. This is happening completely in sync with what is just and what should happen. And also, if you accept the situations, if you stop fighting the situations, if you accept the situations, you will know that exactly what you wanted in your life, the people that you wanted to be with you, the people that you wanted to recognize you, are going to do that by the end of the month, provided you do not feel blindfolded, you do not feel that things are not working out, you do not feel emotionally overwhelmed, and you do not feel there is no path, there is nothing forward. So if you do that, I think everything is going to flow into your life very, very nicely this month, but you'll have to accept, and you'll have to stop fighting, stop resisting the change. We'll start with love. So if there is a relationship that you've been waiting for, if you want to get into a relationship, whether it is a marriage, whether it is finding a boyfriend or a girlfriend for you, what I can see on your cards is probably the person that is there, that's already there for you. You're not recognizing that person, and the person that you want is not really the person who you are ready for right now. And that is why it is important, one, to accept the people who are there in your life, to give your love, give your affection to them, to see what is it that has been offered to you. Second, if there is a person who you want to be with, but that person is not with you right now, know that it is happening for a reason. Know that you have a lesson attached to that. Know that you have a learning attached to that. And the moment you accept that, the moment you start focusing on what you have in your life, what are the good things in your life, and how you can move your life forward, you'll see everything flowing and your wishes being fulfilled. So from that, I can tell you that it's not really like a new person is going to enter your life this month, but if you realize who are there and who are with you, I think you're going to be emotionally and relationship wise in a better situation. If with regards to marriage, some people might just announce the marriage, and some people might just get married also this month, because there is Six of Wands by the end of the month. So the marriage can happen this month. And with regards to other relationships in your life, ensure that you're not struggling with your relationships. Ensure that you're not fighting with the people around you. Ensure that you're not fighting within yourself, or you're misguiding the people around you. So that's one thing which is very important. And also, I think justice, somewhere I see twice on your cards, and with justice I can say that ensure that whatever you're saying, whatever you're doing, whatever you are, the part that you're playing in your relationship, you are being just, you're being fair, because the karma will get back to you. So ensure that you're just, ensure that you're fair with your things, and if you do that, I think everything is going to flow fine. One thing that can be bothering you is that you want your family to be together, or you might just feel a little unwell. You might just feel that your health is not well and you want your family to be with you. So don't worry, because you're not going anywhere. It's just a temporary problem which is going to be sorted. So know that you don't really have to have everybody with you at the same time, because there could be some people who might not come because of this COVID situation and how the things are right now, but your family is with you, your loved ones are with you, they want to be with you, their blessings are with you, so you don't have to be worried about it at all. Other than that, your wishes will be fulfilled. Just realize who are the people who are around you, and give them their due, and give them the respect that they deserve, and keep stop thinking about who's not there, what is not there, and that ways you'll be able to move your life in a better way. If you talk about job, from job perspective, I think the money flow, because I kind of see something happening in your life, the money flowing into your life. But for some of you, it looks like you've been sitting at home, or you've been sitting at one place from some time, or waiting for a great opportunity to come to you, and in wait of that, you're probably not picking up the opportunities that are right there. And this is one thing that I kind of see on your cards, that it's not that the opportunity will not be there, but the opportunity is not at par with what you want. And I would suggest that take that up, take the opportunity up, because it might not be at this time at par with what you are thinking or what you're wanting, but with time, one, you might just get improved, this opportunity might just improve your life and might just improve your learning. And second, you'll always have that chance where if things start flowing fine, you can actually find something that is just for you, and that gives you that authority and power. So to begin with, I think it will be a good idea not to really sit at home and start earning something. And that's why whatever opportunity is coming your way, you can pick that opportunity. For people who already have a job and who are looking for a growth or a promotion or a transfer, something might happen by the end of the month. But for that to happen, ensure that you're not fighting. You're not fighting for it, you're not fighting with people, you're not fighting within yourself. Know that you have a wish, know that whatever is coming your way, whether it is at par with what you want or not, it is for you, and it is actually just for you. So just have faith in that. Just know that whatever is happening, don't feel blindfolded with it. Don't feel that you have more skills and what you're getting is not in appropriate to your skills, or whatever is happening, there are no path for you forward. That's not the case. It is there. You just have to see that, and you just have to flow with that. With regards to money, 10 of Pentacles center card, I see money flowing into your life, and that money is going to flow from either your family or your loved ones, or from inheritance. That money is going to flow, or this can flow from a business, a family business, or this can flow from somebody who you have been connected with. So this can be your employer as well, but definitely the money will flow. There is a possibility that you might not feel comfortable with it. You might just feel that it's not how much you wanted in your life. But like I said, there is justice, there is 6 of Wands, there is wish fulfillment. So the cards are saying and there is 2 of Wands. So the cards are saying you've manifested this. You always have an option to choose, and you'll always have an option to choose. But right now, accept what you are having, and that's going to grow for you. So the money part will be taken care of. If you're thinking about having a baby, I would suggest to take that decision by end of the month. Or if some of you are pregnant, or having a baby in their life, accept the baby as he or she is. Like, don't think that, oh, I wanted a boy and it's a girl, or I wanted a girl and it's a boy. Don't think like that. Accept the baby and move forward with it. It's going to be amazing for you, because this energy is really good energy for you. With regards to your soul growth, I think this is the month where karma is going to be very important. Whatever is happening in your life is happening for your soul growth, is happening because of that karma, and you have to flow with it. That is going to be very important for you. You have to choose to flow with it, and that's like the most important thing for you for this month. So I think this is a very good and powerful month, and whatever is happening is karmic in your month. And know that whatever is there that you are not looking at is actually there for you for good, and that is something that is actually going to serve you. And whatever is there in your mind that you want, whether it is a person, whether it is a place, whether it is a property, whether it is a situation, whether it is a case, anything that's there on your mind, you will have it, provided you stop feeling blindfolded, provided you stop feeling that, oh, I need that person to be with me, or that thing, or that whatever to be in my life right now, and stop struggling with it. The moment you stop struggling with it, the moment you stop fighting with it, the moment you accept it, the moment you get into the point of truth that, okay, whatever is my life right now, this is what my lesson is, this is what I want to learn, this is what I'm supposed to learn, I accept it, I move along with it. I let go of whatever is not working for me. You will see that working out for you. And for the mental exercise of the month, it's change. It's the card of Wheel of Fortune, and the Wheel of Fortune is basically saying whatever is happening, the change that is happening, the things that are happening for your betterment, are happening for your benefit. So you can just affirm that I accept the things, the changes that are happening in my life. I know universe is working out to give me the best that I deserve, and everything is going to work out for me perfectly fine. And stop thinking, stop fighting the change, stop fighting the change. That's going to be very important this month. For the chakra, I will give you two chakras. One is going to be base chakra, second is going to be your heart chakra. Heart chakra needs to be opened up, base chakra needs to be balanced. So for base chakra, the mantra is lam. You can just chant it like we chant om, so you can just chant lam. The heart chakra, the mantra is yam. You can just chant it similarly, yam. Do these chantings, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube about chakra balancing. You can follow any of those, because my videos are in Hindi. So I think if you follow that, the balance is going to come into your life. And something that you have to take care of for the whole month is, I see two cards. One is lovers, and one is eight of cups. So one is cup 8, one is lovers. And why I see them is because this month it is going to be very important for you to be in love with yourself. This month it is very important for you to have self-love. Understand that it's your destiny, understand that it is your connection, understand that it is happening because of karma, whatever is coming into your life, and accept that with love. Accept the people you love. Be with whoever is there with you, whoever is there or for you. Be with that person. Don't keep thinking about others. And if you do that, you will not have this cycle repeated in your life. But if you keep your focus outwards, then you'll have the same cycles repeated in your life. And that's why the 8 of cups is there. And 8 of cups is very clear card, where you understand your emotions and you stop those cycles from being repeated. So understand your emotions, and also the people, if you're wanting something in your life, whether it is a people, place, situation, they are at a very different state from yours right now, and you have to come midway to actually be at the same state where you are together. And that's what is happening right now. So ensure that you let that happen if you follow these advices. And the number of the month for you is going to be number 4. Color of the month, red, yellow, orange. Any bright shades are going to be very good. Green are going to be very good for you, so you can have those shades around you or wear those shades. And if you follow all these things, the end is the Justice card, and how it is going to change your life is that you are going to feel that justice has happened. You're going to feel that whatever you deserved, you got it. You're going to feel that everything is balanced in your life. And justice I can see twice, so that's why I'm very sure. And with the Wheel of Fortune, I'm very sure that whatever happening in your life right now, it is happening to fulfill your wishes. It is happening to have you get you that benefit, and it is working for your best. And I think I forgot to tell you about your health. So for your health, if you are at all feeling a high BP or a low BP, or headaches, or you're not feeling comfortable, you're feeling giddy, you're feeling dizzy, ensure that you take enough rest. Rest is going to be very important for you. And be with your family, be with people who love you. So rest is going to be very important. Taking care of what you're eating is going to be equally important. That's kind of there, a warning in almost all the cards because of the season probably. But yes, take care of what you're eating. And headaches might be there off and on, but if you don't feel blindfolded, if you don't think too much, the headaches will go. And don't struggle with your emotional health. Don't struggle within yourself. Don't try to fight the change. When you do that, health wise, it's going to be okay, it's going to be good. Just know that if you need rest, you give yourself rest. Don't push yourself too much. If you like the video, please press the like button. It helps videos to become searchable, and you can share this video with everyone that you care for, that you want this video to be shared with. And please subscribe the channel if you can. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link in the description box or comment section. You will just have to write you want your reading. I will share my number and will progress. And also your feedback and comments are very important, so do give your feedbacks, do send comments, and tell me if there is anything that I'm missing in these videos and you would want me to include that as part of your monthly predictions. I will do that. If you have any generic questions, you can write that to me as well. And there are a lot of videos on my channel about positivity, about good life, about changes. You can watch those videos and they will help you. Another another thing is, I think stress relief, a video on stress relief is there. I'm going to share that in the description box because you'll probably need that this month. So follow those tips, and I will see you with the next monthly predictions. Till then, take care of yourself, follow social distancing, and be safe. Bye bye, take care.